Are you tired of spending hours creating puzzle books for KDP? There's a faster, smarter way. Let me show you how. First, we have Word Extractor. Simply choose the mode, for example, by topic. Click Extract Words. And just like that, you get a full list of words ready for your puzzles. Fast, easy, and accurate. Next, create your puzzle with the word search generator. Upload your word list. Select Words mode, and click Generate Puzzles. Your puzzle is ready instantly. No design skills needed. Finally, let's assemble a full book with WS Book Builder. Add a title and subtitle, copyright page, an introduction, and even a table of contents. Upload your puzzles. Now, adjust your layout settings and solution pages before building. You can use the preview tool to check every page. Our safe zone highlighting, shown in red, ensures all content stays within KDP margins, preventing common printing errors. Your book will be fully KDP compliant. Click Build Book. And just like that, your complete print-ready book is done. And that's it. From extracting words to generating puzzles to building a full book, it's all simple, fast, and automated. Start creating your puzzle books today. Get started and turn your ideas into published books in minutes.